Hi, today I'm unboxing the MacBook Pro M1 in silver. This has 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. Okay, going further inside this M1 MacBook Pro box, here is the charger, and this is a 61 watt USB-C charger, as you can see right there, USB-C. And it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. There are only two USB-C ports on the side, so I highly recommend getting a hub. Now this has very fast boot up time because it's all SSD and unified memory. As you can see, it's booting already, and the trackpad on this is quite big. And it also has the touch bar at the top. This screen supports 1680 by 1050, 1440 by 900, and 1024 by 640 resolutions. It is a Retina display. It's LED backlit with IPS technology, and we really like the 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixels per inch. So it provides a nice color, and the color and true tone shifts depending on the white balance of the room. It has 500 nits of brightness, and it also goes much brighter when you're viewing HDR video. This is the M1 chip version of the MacBook Pro. It comes with 8 cores, 4 performance cores, and 4 efficiency cores. It has a 16-core neural engine and 8-core GPU. So that is a lot of computing power into this computer. This is a touch bar right here, so you can make it brighter or less bright, depending on where you're tapping on this touch bar. This touch bar changes depending on what you're doing on your computer. So if you're viewing a web page, you'll be able to see your tabs from Safari right up here at the top. It provides a whopping 20 hours of battery power. That is amazing for a 58.2 watt hour lithium-polymer battery that's installed in this computer. That battery is not user removable. You have to go to the Genius Bar and get that swapped out when you need to. Now, these two USB-C ports on the side support Thunderbolt 3. They're both Thunderbolt enabled. They support charging DisplayPort. The Thunderbolt 3, as you know, is up to 40 gigabits per second. USB 4, so that's the new standard that this computer handles. That's also up to 40 gigabits per second. It can handle USB 3.1 Gen 2 at only 10 gigabit per second. So some of the newer external SSD cards can handle 20 gigabits per second. This can only do 10 gigabits per second. And it has the headphone port. This keyboard, as you can tell, lights up depending on the lighting in the room, so it's backlit, and they call it the Magic Keyboard. People have been waiting a long time for the redesigned keyboard, and that is what's included in this M1 version of the MacBook Pro. Right up here is the finger sensor, so you can do Apple Pay up here. You can also use it to secure your computer with encryption based on your fingerprint. It has 802.11ax or Wi-Fi 6 capability, and 802.11a, b, g, n, and ac, Bluetooth 5.0, and they should have upgraded the camera at the top, but it does 720p, and it's FaceTime HD, so it's okay, but it's not the best. It can handle only one external display, whereas the older Intel MacBook Pros can handle multiple displays. This can handle only one, but it can handle up to 6K resolution at 60 Hertz. So that is a very large monitor that this computer can drive because of all those cores in the GPU. It's 8-core GPU. It has stereo speakers with high dynamic range and support for Dolby Atmos playback. As you know, in the Apple TV app, you can download content that has Dolby Atmos audio in it and stream it from their service. So a whopping 20 hours of battery life, which is totally incredible. We like it because it turns on when you open it, and it puts itself to sleep when you close it. And that is the overview and unboxing of the Apple M1 MacBook Pro 13.3 inch with Retina display. It has the 61 watt charger right here from Apple. You can actually get a smaller version of this charger from other companies like Anker. I like their chargers. And it comes with one charging cable right here, the USB-C to USB-C. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.